Behold my free soap, only tallow soap. Could you believe? I made this soap with only tallow. See how foamy it is. You know, when it is Salah was last week, I told my students in the group, I said, please, people should go and make friends with your Muslim friends, with your Muslim neighbors, because they'll be killing cow and rams. And I know that most of them throw away the tallow. That is free oil for you. Go and make friends with them. I don't know if they did, but me, I went to meet one of my neighbors. I told him that I'll be needing the tallow, that I should not throw it away. So he gave me this tallow, all this tallow for free. So let's measure and see. You can see. When he gave me the tallow, I rendered it and I got this. So let's measure and see. In fact, I would have made a video of the raw tallow, beef tallow, and then when I was rendering, but I forgot. But yes, this is it. So he gave me all this tallow. This is just one neighbor. In fact, I would have even told the next neighbor. I didn't tell. Let me use just one neighbor. So next time you see that Salah is approaching, go and make friends with your neighbors or your Muslim neighbors, because they will be having a lot of tallow, and most of them don't know the value. Most of them throw it, even though I know that some of them used to fry it and use it to fry. You can see 2.2 grams, 2.2 kg, that's 2,200 grams. 2 kg plus 200 grams, that's what this thing means. 2.2 kg, that is the oil that I got. I don't know how much is tallow oil, because I used to buy in big buckets, but there's no how this one will not be up to 3,000 naira at least, and I got it for free. So I'm using to make soap. I'll be taking you through the process of making this soap with only tallow and one chemical, just one chemical, and we'll see. That's the beautiful soap you see at the beginning. So just relax, enjoy me as I take you through the process of making this soap with only tallow and one chemical. Let's jump in. Okay, so here we go. So that's my tallow oil. I've rendered it. It's 2.2 kg. If you don't know how to render, you can just check videos on YouTube to see how to render tallow. That's my caustic soda, 299 grams. And that's my water. I'll be using 598 grams. If you don't know how I got this measurement, I got them using the SAP value charts. I'll be using SLS as foam booster. I use just 30 grams and then 100 ml of water to dissolve my SLS. And that's my fragrance. I'll be using just about 20 ml. And that's my sugar syrup. I'll be mixing it with another color. That's the color. I want to have I just mixed the color. So I just want to have something lighter. So that's why I mixed the color there. So let's start soaping. So I'm making my lye solution. So I've poured in my caustic soda into my water. Please ensure you wear gloves. Don't be like me. Please wear your gloves, so wear your protective gadget. And ensure you always pour your caustic into water. Don't pour water into caustic. So let's leave it for about 30 minutes to settle down. We don't want to make semi-hot process soap. We are making cold process soap. So let's keep it to settle. So I'm making my SLS solution also. So I've poured in my 30 grams of SLS into my 100 ml of water. So this water is part of my soaping water. Part of the water I would have used for my caustic soda. That's part of it. If you don't know how I did this calculation and got my water, you may decide to join my one chemical training I did a while ago. I'll be putting the link in the description. Just for 2,000 naira if you're in Nigeria and 50 Ghana cedis. You see how I got this exact measurement I'm using. I got this using the SAP value method, the SAP value chart. That is how I got it. If you don't know how to get it, then join that my training. Posted the videos there also, so you can watch and understand how I got my measurement. I didn't just get them, I got them using the SAP value chart. So that's my color, mixing two colors like I told you earlier. So I've mixed two colors. I mixed my sugar syrup and another color. I want that sugar syrup to the brown to be light. I don't want it to be too dark. That's why I added another lighter color. So fine. So we are checking the temperature. Remember, I have gone to melt my tallow. I left it to cool down, and that is the temperature, 49.1. And that's the temperature of my lye solution. Always good to take temperatures of your oil and lye so that you know that you're soaping between a safe range. The range between your lye and your oil should be within 10 degrees, within 10 degrees Celsius. Don't make it so that if you do it outside, your soap might start cracking. So ensure you have an infrared thermometer with you when you, as a soaper. It is an essential tool that you need, an infrared thermometer. I sell them. If you don't know where to get them, send me a WhatsApp message. I sell them and I'll get them delivered to you. So I'm adding my fragrance. This time around, I have decided to add both my oil and my fragrance, both my color and my fragrance into my oil. That is the style I am adopting this. I know soap is very, very versatile and flexible. You can just do, it's an art. Soaping is an art. So you can just do whatever suits you and you come out with very beautiful outcome, but you just have to get to know the basics. So I'm putting in my light solution into my oil. We are soaping, we started soaping. So I've introduced my stick blender to make it faster. This is another essential tool you need as a soaper. Stick blender, it makes soaping very, very faster and make your soap to trace fast. So this is it. You can see before our soap is traced. Rather than if I had used my hand to whisk, it would have taken longer time. But with this stick blender, it makes it easier and safer for you. It makes it very, very fast for your soap to trace. And before you say voila, you are done with your soap. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Ogechima the Koma. I give you content on how to produce various hygiene products, especially soap, on this channel. So please consider joining the family, as you'll not regret you did. So our soap is ready. So you can see in the twinkling of an eye, our soap is ready because I used a stick blender. So this is another tool that you should consider getting as a soaper. And I sell them. I've got you covered. When it comes to all your soaping tools, I sell all of them. We sell all of them. Can you see how beautiful our soap is? Can you see the color we get? Because of that combination I did. See, the brown is now lighter, not as dark as the soap. Can you see? See the beautiful brown now. Can you see? See the beautiful brown. Don't ask me the color I mixed it with. I will not tell you. Unless you come and join my channel membership, you will see the color there. Those that are my channel membership, you will see the color there. See the color I mixed. Just use any lighter color if you want to guess, and you get this beautiful brown, or else you use your sugar syrup. So our soap is done. Very simple, very easy. This is free soap for my neighbor. So if you want to get any of our soaping tools, just send me a WhatsApp message and I'll get them delivered to you. Anywhere, from your soap cutter to your silicone molds, to your digital thermometer, to your spatula, to your measuring cups, all of them, I've got you covered. Like I said, please wear your gloves. Don't be like me. Please wear your gloves. Wear your gloves. Wear your gloves. All this soap for my free Tallow. Can you see? Almost 4 liters of butter. Almost 4 liters of butter for my free Tallow oil. Can you see? So please go and make friends with your Muslim neighbors. Oh, another time you see they are having their salah. This is what I got last week. So let's allow it to settle down now. See, but then I thought I was videoing when I was cutting, but I didn't know that it was not recording. See, this is soap. I thought I was recording while I was videoing. See, people say Tallow soap don't foam. Can you see? Just see the quality of the ladder now. I thought I was recording. I didn't know it was not recording. I only realized it after I'm done cutting, because I videoed the process of cutting and everything, but I didn't know it was not recording. Sorry about that, but that is the soap. I got 18 of these big bars from my fridge. When I cut it using our mini foldable cutter, I cut these soaps using our mini foldable cutter, and they are so beautiful. So please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Also like and share so that YouTube shows it to more people that needs to see it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I want to see more of you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.